Children, today we will study class 9th geography lesson 4 climate. So children, before we start with the chapter, let us discuss weather and climate. Children, you have learned about weather and climate in your previous class also, in class 7th if you remember. So first of all, we will talk about the similarity between weather and climate. Basically, both weather and climate, they are the atmospheric condition. First thing. Second thing, the study elements of both are same. What are the study elements? That is temperature, wind, air pressure, humidity and rainfall. Now if we talk about difference between weather and climate, we can say that weather is a day-to-day condition of atmosphere. Means these study elements we study for short period of time over a small area, whereas in case of climate we study these elements for long period of time and over a large area. So we can say that climate, it is a sum total of weather condition, or it is an average weather condition of a place for long period of time. Children, weather can change dramatically from day to day. It can be sunny, it can be rainy, it can be cloudy within a day. But climate remains same for many years, at least 35 years. Weather, it prevails over a small area for a short period of time, whereas climate, it prevails over a large area for a long period of time. If we talk about the climate of India, in India we have monsoon type of climate, and the word monsoon is derived from Arabic word mausim, which means season. It refers to seasonal reversal in the wind direction during a year. It means as season change, wind also change its direction. For example, during summer, wind move from sea to land, and during winter, wind move from land to sea. Children, in Asia, this type of climate is mainly found in South and Southeast Asia countries like India, Indonesia, Thailand. This type of climate generally prevails in the areas of 20 degree north to 20 degree south latitude. Now children, despite overall unity in the general pattern, there are perceptible regional variation in climatic condition within the country. Let's discuss by taking two important elements, that is temperature and precipitation. So first is temperature. In India, some areas are extremely hot. Take example of Rajasthan. Here temperature reaches up to 50 degrees Celsius, and at Dras in Jammu and Kashmir, temperature is as low as minus 45 degrees Celsius. Now come to the second one, that is precipitation. Variation in precipitations are in its form and type. Example, upper part of Himalayas receive precipitation in the form of snowfall, whereas rest of the country receive precipitation in the form of rainfall. Seasonal distribution. Children, most part of the country receive rainfall from June to September, but part like Tamil Nadu and East Coast receive rainfall in the month of October and November.